Hello, I am John Beasley, a member of the team working on the website we're about to present. I would like to say we are very happy and honored that you are considering us for your website, and I would like to go through the 2 pages I worked on as well as the CSS, as well as show you our documentation. So I worked on the home and explanation page. So if we go here and look at our home page, we have a very basic layout. We have our header and footer here that I made, as well as the nav bar I created. We have a very basic welcome, the cute, adorable dog photo, your goals, drink your animals, all that, you know. And for more information, this is interesting as I have links to the pages talking about. So our animals page is for the animals we care for and has a little link there. So in the HTML, we have our head that I created, the nav bar I created, the header I created, the little wrapper I made. And down here we have the stuff for the website. So we have our welcome here, the HTML. We have our goals set up here, list. We have another list here for the more information, the links added in there. So the next page I worked on was the explanation page. So the explanation page, very basic design. We have a table and then a carousel. So the table has a little explanation what it's for. So this is process of adoption, step 1 through 4. The prices that you can choose, the price options, price 1 through 4. Then price includes, which basically just says what each price option has. So price 4 has all the price option 3 plus a calendar, belt buckle, jacket patch, and the carousel has the images for what's in each price option. So if you have price 3 and you're like, I want to know what the t-shirt looks like, t-shirt. So for the HTML and CSS, for the explanation, you can see I have the header and footer and all that again. But here's the table I created. There's that. And then here's the explanation. For the explanations carousel. And as you can see, I used the class carousel, which is in the style here. So as you can see, for the CSS styling, I made the wrapper, the footer, the carousel I just showed you, as well as the container 2 stuff here that you'll see in the reviews when my teammate explains that. So in our documentation, we have our website structure, which is a random structure where everything links around to itself so you can navigate anywhere from everywhere. We have our flow chart, which is basically how we expect someone to go through it. So they go through home, to about, to animals, to see what animals we have. They go through the explanation, they go to reviews and stuff to see who did what, what do people think. Adoptions, they might go to reviews again if they want to leave one, otherwise they're just done at the website. So as you can see, you have the little charts, the little blueprints for each page is supposed to look like, as you'll see when my teammates go over theirs. We have the color sheet that we used, and this is just validations. It didn't have any wave errors. We didn't have any HTML or CSS errors. The readability test had a 72, so 1.9. So we kind of passed there. 11 to 12-year-olds up can understand it, so that's good. Our PHP Insights was a 96, very good. Our usability testing also went well. Made some minor changes with font colors and added more photos in here and there. So for what's next? What we want to do next is that if we are contracted, we want to get more feedback on what needs to be improved, but mainly we want to do an expansion of the animals page, that way workers can more easily add more animals and update their info and remove the ones that have been adopted. And we want a more in-depth review page when we get more reviews and stuff coming in, and we also want to clean up the CSS. So if we are awarded your contract, that will be our main focus, is get more feedback, improve the animals page, do a more in-depth review page, and improve the CSS. So I would like to thank you for your time, CEO. I will be passing it on to my next team member. So that's a goodbye from me. Thank you for your time.